this is what happened. We're killing our time. So, we went to the mall. Nagpunta nga kami sa mall. Nag-walking na kami. Kasi super ulan. Tapos galing kami sa thrift store. Hardy's coffee is so good. Their breakfast is so good. I love their breakfast. Their food is good though. This is egg, sausage, and cheese croissant. They're so yummy. Ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. So I removed the lid of my coffee because the coffee is so hot. And their hash brown is so yummy with ketchup. Nakalimutan yung buhok ko. Don't close it. Don't close the lid. I want it cool a little bit so that I can drink it. So, tumawag yung asawa ko. No. The electric workers are almost done. So, tapos ang lakas ng ulan, hindi naman kami maka-standby doon sa swimming pool kasi maulan nga. So dito na lang kami. What time is now na? 11?
10:32.
It's only 10:32. The mall is open, but I don't want to go back to the mall. We went there already. I don't want to look stuff that I don't need. Ang sarap ng croissant. You wanna bite? Butter, deli good siya. Looks like it's getting clear. Oh my God. Yeah. Gumising kami ng maaga, 5 ng morning. Tapos, nag-remove na kasi kami kahapon ng mga gamit. Ipang-move na namin. Make sure the electrical people, they're easy to do their things today. And then, ayun, nag-iwan si Julio at saka si Tam sa payag, sa bahay kubo. Well, kaming dalawa ni Genevieve, andito kami nag-suroy-suroy. Their croissant is good. Oh, you were laughing bad.
Just listening to some comedy music. Bo Burnham.
I like the smell of black cherry.
I don't like it. It's
Oh, really?
too overwhelming.
Huh?
It's too overwhelming.
Nakaupaw man ko muning magsigit og kalo. Pero nagkalo ko kay gaulan man good.
Mom, do you know you have a cowlick?
Huh?
You know you have a cowlick, I think.
Huh?
You have a cowlick.
What is that? Oh, really? I don't know. Lamias kape oy. Salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin dito guys. Dito sa Hardee's. Ang sarap ng hash brown nila. You na order some muffin? They have blueberry. Are you on diet? You know, when you were little, I used to bring you here. We sit over there. Sit over there. Ang sarap ng kape. Ang sarap. Bye guys. Thank you so much guys.